Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side. This one we have to ask. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one we change by u. To ask the ask we change by the u. So this one we can put into u to the power of negative number 5 du. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have negative number 4. This one we have negative number 4. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.